Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix iPhone not receiving text messages. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Turn off on iMessages. For that, launch the settings menu. In settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. On the apps menu, scroll down and find messages and tap on it. In the Messages menu, tap on Notifications. In Apps Notification Settings, you will see a toggle next to Allow Notification. Tap it to turn it on. Turn on Critical Alerts. Then turn on Time-Sensitive Notifications. Next, check the boxes for Lock Screen, Notification Center and Banners. Now you go back to the previous menu. Here, switch off iMessages option. Wait for few seconds. Then switch it back on. Now wait for few seconds. Below the iMessages, you can see a settings for send and receive. Tap on it. In the send and receive, choose your phone number that you want to use text messages. If you have multiple numbers, they will both show up here. Now you go back to the previous menu. Now scroll down and turn on send and text messages and MMS messaging. This will enable SMS messaging in the future. Now scroll down and turn on filter unknown senders. Solution 2. Select all messages filter. Open the Messages app from your home screen. Tap on Filters at the top right corner of the page. Open all messages. Check and see if you have the messages you were looking for. Solution 3. Unblock your contacts. To unblock the contacts on iPhone, first open the Settings application on your device. In Settings menu, swipe all the way down and tap on Apps. In Apps menu, find Messages and tap on it. In the iMessages, swipe down and find Block Contacts. Tap on it. Here you will see a list of block contacts. Tap at it at the top right corner of the page. Then tap on red button next to the contacts you want to unblock. Then tap on Unblock. Solution 4. Turn off Do Not Disturb. To turn off Do Not Disturb, open the Control Center on your iPhone. Then tap on Focus icon you can see in middle of screen. Here, make sure Do Not Disturb is not turned on.